Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Relationship types. Relation are used to establish connection between two or more objects. Relationship is bidirectional association between two objects. Account to contact relationship is an example of a standard relationship in Salesforce. There are following types of relationship. Master detail relationship, that is one to many relationship. Lookup relationship, that is one to many relationship. Junction object, that is many to many relationship. Hierarchical relationship, that is one to one relationship. And external lookup. So in detail we are going to see master detail relationship. So master detail relationship is a strongly coupled relationship. It is one to many relationship. It can be created using master detail relationship data type. It can be created on custom object. So we can't create it on standard object. It can be created on those custom objects in which there are no records. Means if the records are available on any custom object, we can't create master detail relationship. It is a required field. This field stores 18 character record ID of the master record. Object on which master detail relationship field created called detail object or child object. Object to whose data master detail relationship field is referring called master object or parent object. When we create master detail relationship on a object, then this object will not have owner field. Means it is going to refer that particular parent ownership. Whoever is owner of master record, he will be owner of that particular child record. If master record deleted, corresponding child record deleted. Only deleted master record will be displayed in recycle bin. When we undelete master record, corresponding child records are also undeleted. An object can be master of any number of objects. We can create two master detail relationship fields for one object. Child object can be present of any other object up to 3 level. If an object has two parents on it, it cannot be parent to any other object. In one to many relationship, on many side of relation, we create master detail relationship. So steps to create master detail relationship: setup, object and fields, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship, click new. Step 1, select relationship type. Step 2, select related to object. Step 3, enter the label and name for the lookup field. Step 4, establish field level security for reference field. Step 5, add reference field to page layouts. Step 6, click save button. So let's see an example of creating master detail relationship. Create master detail relationship on payment object for employee as master. If deleting employee record, then payment record is also get deleted. So for the object payment, data type would be, for the salary field we are taking the data type currency. For bonus, again taking the data type currency. For the month, it's date data type. And for payment, we are creating master detail relationship employee. So to do the practicals, just provide the username and password on the login.salesforce.com URL. Hit the login button. First we are going to create a payment object. On this we are going to create master detail relationship. So for that, first we need to click on setup button. Click on setup. So under platform tools, click object and fields. Click object manager. So from create, just click custom object. So provide the details like label payment, plural is payments. It's not starting with vowel, it's all again not mandatory. So here I am making it payment number and taking the data type auto number, payment P and ID in the curly braces. The starting number would be 1. Optional features I am making it checked and allow search. Just click on save button. So for this we have to choose the tab style. For creating the tab, click on next button. So add to profile, I am going with default one. Click next. Add to custom apps, I am unchecking this include tab and only checking for employee management system app. Click on save button. So for payment object, we have to create the fields also. Just click on fields and relationship. Click on new button. For the first field salary, we have to choose the currency. Data type, click on next button. Provide the field label. I am making the length is 10 and decimal value would be 2. I am not making it required or default value. Click on next button. Establish field level security, FLS. I am going with default one. Click next. And page layout would be payment layout. Just click on save and new button, because again we have to click we have to create next field. So again for the bonus I am taking again currency. Data type, click on next button. Provide the field label. Again I am making the length 10 and decimal value is 2. Going with default one. Click next. FLS I am going with default one. Click next. Again click on save and new, because one more field I have to create. So next field is month and data type would be date. Next, provide the field label name and click on next button. FLS I am going with default one. Next, page layout, on the payment page layout. Again clicking on save and new button, because we have to create a master detail relationship on this payment object. So here in the relationship section we are seeing the master detail relationship radio button. Click on this. Click next. In the related to, we have to provide the field name. Here I am going with employee, as this object we had created earlier. So employee, click on next button. Again, I am providing the field label employee and going with all default one. Click next. Click next. Reference field to page layout. So related list label is payment and it's on employee page layout. Add to related list. Click on save button. So again, coming back to our employee management system application, just search from app launcher. So earlier we had created employee object and today we had created payments object. So let's create a record for the payment object and see what the things are happening. Click on new button. So here it's first asking for the salary, then bonus, then month. So I need this employee field at the top because for this employee I am going to give the salary, then bonus, then for which month I am providing. So to make it available at the top, just close this window, click on setup, edit object. So in the details sections, just come to page layout and at the right side just click on edit button. In the payment detail section, we need to drag this employee field at the top above salary. Yes, done. Click save. So to see the changes, just reload this page. So just click on payment tab, click on new button. Now we are able to see employee as we had make it at the top. So for this employee we are going to provide salary, bonus and month. So if in the payment object if there is any record existing, so in that case we can't create a master detail relationship on payment object. ID 1 salary would be 45,000 and bonus would be 4,500 and for the selected month. Click on save button. So in this way we are creating master detail relationship on a particular object. So it is a many to many relationship. It is a custom object with two master detail relationship fields on it. First master detail created on the junction object is called primary master. Second master detail field created on the junction object is called secondary master. Whoever is the owner of primary master, he will be the owner of corresponding child records, means junction records. If we delete any one of the master record, corresponding child record will also be deleted. If any master record has more than 200 child records, then it cannot be deleted. Junction object cannot be master to any other object. Steps to create junction object: setup, object and fields, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship. Click new. Step 1, select relationship type. Step 2, select related to object. Step 3, enter the label and name. Step 4, establish field level security for reference field. Step 5, click save button. So let's see an example for creating the junction object. Let's create junction object by the name job application having two master detail relationship with candidate and position. So job application is the object, and for this object first master detail relationship would be candidate, and second master detail relationship would be position. Again, this job application object cannot be master for any other object. So to do the practical, just log in with salesforce.com by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So we are going to create junction object. Uh, just click on this object manager. At the right side drop down, click on custom object. So providing the details, label is job application, plural is job application, not checking with vowel sound as this is not mandatory. Object name is job application. Record name is job application number, and I had taken the data type auto number. Display format is job ID and starting from 1. Optional features I am allowing this all. Deployed yes, allow search yes, and add notes and attachments and launch new custom tab wizard. Click on save button. So create the tab for this job application. Choose tab style. Click next. Add two profiles going with default one. Next. Add to custom apps. I am going to make it available for only employee management system application. Check this and click on save button. So job application object is created. Click on fields and relationship. So by default these fields are provided by Salesforce. If all we need to create our own fields, just click on new. So here we have to create this job application as a junction object. So we have to choose master detail relationship. Create a special type of parent-child relationship between this object, the child or detail, and another object, the parent or master, where the relationship field is required on all detail records. The ownership and sharing of a detail record are determined by the master record. When a user deletes the master record, all detail records are deleted. You can create roll-up summary field on the master record to summarize the detail records. The relationship field allows user to click on a lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. The master object is the source of the values in the list. Click next. So in related to, first we are going to choose candidate object what we had created earlier. Select the other object to which the object is related to. So first I am relating with the candidate. Click next. Providing a candidate field name and going with all default. Click next. FLS for reference field. Click next. I am going with default one. Add reference field to page layout, job application layout. Yes, click next. So related list label is job applications. Click save and new as we have to create one more master detail relationship on this. So choose master detail relationship. Click next. This time we have to relate with position. So click on next, provide the field name, position, and I am going with default one. So field level security, I am going with default. Click next. Field to page layouts, click next. And custom related list, job application, click save. So we had created two master detail relationship on job application. So as we can create only two master detail relationship on one particular object, so let's see, can we create one more master detail relationship on this particular object. So now we are not able to create the third master detail relationship on this particular object, as Salesforce is saying that for one object there can be only two master detail relationship we can create. So again, just come back. So first we had created on the candidate. So candidate is the primary master detail relationship and position is the secondary master detail relationship. To see this all the look and feel, just come to our employee management system application from the app launcher. So a job application is available over here, and this job application primary master detail relationship is candidate, this one, and secondary master detail relationship is position, as we had created this in the earlier session. So let's see what is candidate. So in the candidate there is no record at all, I think. Click on all. So no records are there. In the position, let's verify is there any record. So again for the position as well there is no record. So we can customize this view, tab view, as per our need. So I am making this available at the right side of job application, and again position is also I am making at the right side. So we had seen master detail relationship, so on the employee and parent. Then we had seen lookup relationship on this student and course, and then we are now seeing junction object, job application. So for this job application we had created two master detail relationship. First one is candidate and second one is position. So for the candidate I am going to create a new record. So I had provided the details for a new candidate, name Alan, email is like alan@gmail.com, and random phone number. This is also a random one, and address is USA. Click on save button. So next we are going to create for position record. Click on new. So we had given the details for new position, title as Salesforce developer, salary is 50K, and education must be postgraduate. So click on save button. Now if all we need to create a junction object for this too, so just click on new button. So for candidate we need to choose the candidate what we had created right now. This is the candidate Alan, and for this candidate which position, so Salesforce developer. Click on save button. So job application number is job ID 001, candidate is Alan, and position is Salesforce developer. If all we need to see the candidate detail, just click on this. So Alan is coming over here. Again go to job application, record detail, click on position, it will redirect to position. So in case if someone is deleting this particular candidate, so what is going to happen with the position and job application junction object? So let's see. Just I am going to delete this particular LN candidate by clicking on this drop down, click on delete. Sure. So I had created the candidate. So what is happening with the position? Yeah, position is available over here, and see what happened with job application. So job application is deleted. If any one of the record is getting deleted, then job application record is also going to be deleted. So what happened in this case, if we delete any of the master record, corresponding child record will also be deleted. So master, in this case, master would be candidate and job application is treated as child. So this job application record is also got deleted. So this is all about junction object. Thank you.